Hello listeners, welcome to my channel. I'm Judy from Hong Kong. I'm so glad you are here with me. Today I will share my 2023 review with a matter that happened to me last week beyond my expectations. Let's get into it to see if you have had this experience once. My 2023 review. I've never experienced losing my voice in the cold. Today, near the end of 2023, I have had such an experience in 2 to 3 days last week. In the past, when I caught a cold, I would drink a lot of hot water to confront the virus. Normally, my immune system would painstakingly work day and night to win the battle, and I would recover in a week. However, what came behind was coughing, a kind of relentless cough that rendered me unable to think I had fully recovered. When we can search for any solution over YouTube, I did it, intending to find out what to do with cough. Living up to my expectations, I have sought a natural recipe that claims it can heal cough. Onion, a very common and natural edible plant, now turning into a healing cough recipe, just with it steaming for half an hour and then squeezing out all the juice from it and drinking it. Amazingly, it works wonders. When this time I caught a cold, I thought if only I had taken the onion recipe earlier, I could have escaped from coughing in this cold. How great it would be. Hence, I made and drank the onion juice when I had not started to cough, not knowing the situation would get worse. My throat got much sorer when I did not cough with the effects of the juice. In the following days, I insist on taking the onion recipes, only to find I had lost my voice. Later, I again went to YouTube seeking a solution. I got some medical information saying that we have to cough when we catch a cold. That is, the virus can leave our body with the coughing that contains it. As to relieving long-lasting coughing, we can only do so when the cold goes away with coughing, with different kinds of cold relieving recipes or remedies. In 2023, what I have learned is anything going with neat steps will never succeed, but the contrary. It does teach a lot. May I wish all of us a prosperous and healthy 2024. Thanks very much for your watching. Please feel free to leave a comment. Your like and subscription will fuel my motivation to make more and more content. Have a nice day and see you again.